Hello, and welcome to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you could follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. What do you want? So pretty much, if you love Teslas, if you're like Robin is a crazy fan of Teslas, if you want a Tesla, and are thinking about buying a Tesla, then go ahead and subscribe and give a video a like. So I have no idea what the last video is.
Well, Carly, also we want to make sure that people know that all of our videos are
Tesla related. I have grown since the last time you've seen me.
Yeah, Carly's like growing. She's not sitting on the center console.
I promise you.
Okay, so this is the 30th video in our video number 30 in our special series for the month of November, the Feeling Thankful series, where we have done 29 videos about 29 different features of the Tesla.
Even losing the star of the show.
You know, it wasn't easy, but we were able to somehow figure out how to film and post 30 videos this month, even when we lost Lucky for 28 days due to a minor car accident.
And even the days we didn't upload, we got them.
Well, it was a bit of a challenge, but we are feeling quite thankful that we were able to finish the series.
And Merry Christmas.
Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas.
Happy Hanukkah. Merry Christmas.
Hey, Carly. So this is video number 30. This is the last one in the series, and Carly doesn't even know what we're talking about today.
Yeah.
We've talked about so many different features. Can you guess one that we haven't talked about yet?
The close all button.
I think we probably did actually touch on the close all button in the Falcon Wing doors video. Any other features that come to mind, Carly? The seatbelts? Should we do a whole video about the seatbelts? They're just regular seatbelts. There's actually nothing really high-tech about the seatbelts, except the fact that the occupant detection system lets you know if somebody's wearing their seatbelt or not. No, that's not what we're doing. Today, for video number 30.
Don't say, I'm trying to guess.
One more guess, and then we have to tell you and the viewers. No, it's not really a hint.
Have we talked? No, we have. We're talking about Lucky.
No, guess what we're talking about today?
What?
Screen cleaning mode.
This is the most boring mode for 30, Mom.
Carly loves the screen cleaning mode, and I bet you that there are people out there that don't know how to turn on screen cleaning mode and might need a demonstration from you, Carly.
I'm going to go cry in my pillow.
Well, come on, Carly. It's not like a bugs and fixes software update. There's no need to cry. Do you know how to do the screen cleaning mode?
Yes, I do.
Would you be willing to give the viewers of TesLUCKY a demonstration of the screen cleaning mode?
First,
okay, hold on. We got to turn the camera around, Carly.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we'll show you this right now. Let's see that demo, Carly.
Are you tired of closing out your Tesla and seeing so many fingerprints? Don't be. Here's what you gotta do to clean your screen. First, you're gonna press the Tesla. Then you're gonna go to display. And then you see that clean screen one. You're gonna tap it. And as you see, Mom probably did this morning because there's no fingerprints on it. But we'll do
let's make some fingerprints on it, Carly.
Yeah, let's get it all fingerprint dirty.
Let's get all those fingerprints on there.
I can't see them.
I can't see them, because we actually do have a glass protectant on there that's supposed to reduce the amount of fingerprints.
Well,
There's a few. Okay.
Yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to tape your yellow cloth or whatever your cloth size is, or your outfit.
I will. Use the cloth.
Or your outfit. You're going to clean your Tesla. What's that?
I don't know.
Is that an oil patch like was on Bocce's phone?
No.
Okay. Well, we're going to get that off no matter what today.
Just focus on these fingerprints down at the bottom, Carly. I don't know what that is. Just a little speck of dust.
Okay, so now this is going to be the worst part ever. You have to press and hold to exit.
Doesn't that put a fingerprint on the screen?
Yeah. Elon, fix it!
Elon, fix that.
But you can always go back in where you click. Oh. I'm sorry, I have to add more fingerprints.
Exiting in 3, 2, 1.
Tesla software time. Man, wasn't that interesting?
Carly.
What?
It was amazing. Wasn't it amazing?
For her.
We hope that you have enjoyed Carly's demonstration of screen cleaning mode and the 29 features videos that preceded this one. We have them all organized in a playlist. If you'd like to go back and see if there's any other features of the Tesla
And also,
that you're curious about, would like a demonstration about, check out some of our other videos.
we haven't talked about this, but we might do this next year. So if any features we did not do, let us know, because we can maybe do it next year. For Christmas this time.
If we left out any features that you think are video worthy, let us know
or even
in the
small
comments.
features that are also video worthy.
Right,
Because even the smallest things are video worthy.
That's right, Carly, because a lot of the small features we've talked about over and over in these videos, they provide huge convenience, huge safety, and it's the accumulation of all of these small features,
huge entertainment.
Carly, that make the Tesla driving experience so special. And you know
Especially
what?
the toy
You are
box.
very special as well.
Aww.
I love you, Carly. You've done a great job on this series. No, it's lip sense. It doesn't come off. I think you've done a really great job on this Feeling Thankful series. It was a big commitment of time and energy from Carly, and I think that she did a great job.
It was a huge commitment from Roblox.
Yeah, it takes away from her Roblox time. So we are going to say over and out. Why do we need a headlock at the in the outro of this video, or is that just a little reverse love, little reverse hug?
Reverse.
Okay, we will see you in the month
the
of
mic.
December. No, what do you want the mic for? This is like turning into like a blooper. We're getting a little bit slap happy about the fact that this is video 30, that we've finished
I'm becoming
and we've
crazy.
achieved this goal of 30 videos in 30 days.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
I don't want to say this because this is sad, but over and out.
Thank you so much for watching TesLUCKY for the Feeling Thankful series. We are feeling thankful for each and every one of our subscribers and all the comments and all the support and all the ideas. We will see you in December with more videos. Peace out, YouTube.